It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Air Experts. Do you notice a smell when your AC runs? Let's take a look. First, check the air filter. A dirty filter can trap dust, mold, and bacteria, leading to musty odors. Replacing the filter is an easy solution. A buildup of moisture in the ducts or evaporator coils can create the perfect breeding ground for mold. Remember to run the fan after cooling. This dries out the coils, helping to reduce moisture and bacteria buildup. Lastly, some air conditioners pull in small amounts of air from outside, so check around your unit to ensure its drainage system is not clogged and there's not any deceased animals nearby. With a few simple steps, you can get your AC smelling fresh again. And if nothing works, don't hesitate to call a professional for help. We thought you'd like to know.